Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I'm going to share with you common problem learner while face speaking English. So this is time for the speaking, don't waste your time. So fear of making mistake, they are very afraid to speak English in front of man. Wrong pronunciation, bring laugh at. Example like this, learner think if I speak wrong, people will laugh. This is very misconception for every beginner or every English speaking learner, because mistakes are proof that you're trying something to do new language or to new things. So there is no afraid about of mistakes. So they stay silent. That's why they stay silent, or that's why they quiet from this kind of method or this kind of learning language thing. Solution: mistake are proof that you are trying. Focus on communication, not perfection. Perfection will come when you practice. Practice will come your better perfection. Wrong English is better than no English. And thinking in mother tongue first. Thinking in your mother tongue first. Problem: learner thinks in their own language and then translate into English. You don't need this. You just need thinking in English. Example: achieve speaker thought, translate English. Results: slow broken sentences. Learn English sentence, not translation. Think in simple English words. Practice like that. I eat rice, I go to school, I went to school, I will go to school. I eat rice, I ate rice, I will rise, or I will eat rice. And problem: the lack of vocabulary. This is one of the common mistake there, because there is no a lot of vocabulary. Vocabulary is the key to speaking English. So that's why it's too much crucial. That's why it's too much crucial for every English learner who wants to learn English like that. That's why you must have learned daily 5 or 10 new vocabulary. Learn word with sentence, not just vocabulary like that. World. This is called a vocabulary, and this sentence will be: today world is mass competition. Today world is mass competition. And number 4 is pronunciation. Pronunciation is the heart for English speaking. That's why wrong pronunciation causes your lack of your confidence. People don't understand. That's the key. Example: very pronounced as very, not very, very. Practice slow and clear speaking. That's why your audience will connect with you. Practice. Pan, it is a van. Bat. Number 5 is fear of grammar. They think grammar is the key to English language. This is the wrong idea, and this is the full misconception. Learner thinks before speaking, is this tense is correct, or can I say this tense is correct, or I'm talk to wrong English. This is the mistake, or this is the misconception. And learn grammar for speaking, not exam. Use simple structure. Like, I'm learning English, I like English. This is a simple sentence, and this sentence will long when you will be mastered. Like, I'm learning English because I want to be one of the greatest English communication speaker in our country. That's why I'm learning this new language. Or I like English. Horses. I love it too much. I love to talk with English all time, like 24 hours in 7 days. Number 6 is no speaking practice. Practice makes a man perfect, so practice is the key to learn any kind of new thing. Learner, they read English, they write English, but don't speak English. Learner understanding English but can't speak fluently. Solution: daily English practice. Mirror practice. Camera practice. In front of camera, you will practice your English journey. Speaking with friends. The more you speak, the more you learn. The more you practice, the more you become fluent English. Number 7 is, this is common, lack of confidence. Lack of confidence. Problem: low confidence stop learner from speaking. Example: voice is slow, avoid eye contact, and nervous while speaking. Solution: start with short sentence, practice daily, and positive self-talk. Number 8 is limited exposure to English. Limited exposure to English. Like, learner only use English in classes, not in real life. That is the true much problem. Example: outside classes, practice. Practice makes man perfect. Wherever you are going to your school or whatever, sit down and share, doesn't matter. Use practice your English to improve your English. That's why think in English, speak to yourself, and watch English videos or English movies or English commentary here. Number 9 is listening problem. Learner can't understand native speaker because fast English, different accent, like that. I'm going to school and I'm gonna school. That time they can't understand this kind of English. Alright, I want to do this, and native says I wanna do this. This solution is practice with slow English, practice daily, and practice more and more time. So thank you everyone, and on earlier finish this content, I will give some kind of tips how to fearless with English speaking while we speak in English. Number 1 is fear of mistakes. Don't worry, mistake are that you're trying. And translation habit. This is too much common problem. You just think English. You don't need any kind of translation in your mother tongue. Number 3 is limited vocabulary. Please expand your vocabulary. Storage, poor pronunciation, grammar fair, no practice, and lack of confidence. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. Next time I will connect with you the short time. Please don't waste your time. Inshallah I will back with the short time. Please watching my this kind of content. This is time for say bye.